Just jump in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
I think you need a lot of mental strength to do the ice plunge. Hi, I'm Ritika. I am 24 years old. I live in Bangalore. So I think I always had body image issues. I didn't like the way I looked in the mirror, and I used to compare myself, with these Instagram models. I mean, I can't change what I'm born with. So I'm like, let me change something I can control, which is my body. Okay, so initially I thought fitness was like bodybuilding or like muscle building. That's all my knowledge was limited to. But as I trained over the years, I realized that there's so many different aspects to it. There's mobility, there's recovery, strength and conditioning. That's why if I had a gym that had a recovery session just after, I would like go to it every day. I think you need a lot of mental strength to do the ice plunge, which is good. It helps you build your mental strength. So it's a lot of intense, high emotions at once, which is controllable if you calm down. Because I have had injuries where, I have just gone to the gym, gone to play basketball or done a sport, and I've had multiple injuries because I didn't focus on recovery. And if you have a gym which is providing you the facility of doing your recovery just after your workouts, they should definitely opt for it. So all of the gyms that I've gone to have like one very sad juice shop outside it, which just gives like high sugar, no protein juices. But I'm really glad that this one had a cafe, and their menu is focused on protein food or like detoxing juices and food, which is really important. So, after my workout, I would just go have a juice and like, finish my protein goals for the day.